All right, guys, Forex market situation update. It's all about the watch list today. It's all about pending opportunities that we're going to be activating. The previous video, we talked about the Canadian-Japanese yen, a bearish trading opportunity here. We got the opposite. It's the euro versus the Canadian, and we got a bullish trading opportunity. But this one's even more profound, more solid than the previous one. This is really the top of the food chain as far as our watch list goes, because we have such a unique situation. We really have a lot of evidence suggesting that 53.53 here, you see this level, this bottom key level within this system, this key level system, this blue key level system. We got that 53.53 on the bottom. That is such a resilient support level. It's been rejecting price action time and time again. Take a look. That was the first touchdown was right there back at November. Then we've had a succession of, take a look, this one right there, the beginning of January. The following week was a big one, which was also rejected eventually, and was basically pushed back up, as you can see. And just recently, I mean last week, we had another attempt. If I'm not mistaken, it's going to be the fourth attempt here, right? And even this week was an attempt on its own. So five attempts to break 53.53 all failed. Right now, this is the formation, guys. Check this out. Is the 1, and then we have this all the way down 2, and then we have all this way up 3, and then of course 4, and we're still at that 4 leg. At leg number 4, price was beginning to move up. It was starting to turn around, but that didn't go too well, and it was back on the downside. But again, it couldn't break that 53.53. It just spiked it again, and now it's starting to come back up. So here's the thing: when price was on the upside, it failed to break 54.99. That's why it didn't continue to move all the way to the upper section. But now, coming off that bottom support, we think it might actually pull it off. It might actually manage to make it all the way to the other side. All right, so this is the weekly chart. Let me give you a snapshot from a different angle. This is the daily chart. As you can see, price was not having too much respect to that 53.53, at least from this perspective, from the daily price action. There was a few violations, but as I showed you, all of those violations have been filtered out very nicely here. When you switch to the weekly chart, you can clearly see nothing was breached right there. So guys, before price continues to move north, before we miss more pips on this movement, right after this video, we're pulling the trigger, and we're taking almost a 300 pip journey that we're gonna try. We're gonna try to activate here. Right now at 54, our target is 56.63. That's the primary target, so about 270 pip. We got an obstacle. Again, the same obstacle that rejected price action last time, 54.99. Even though it looks like price was breaking out, it wasn't really, right? I showed you that on the weekly perspective. You can see big spike there, but it couldn't really break that level that time. Hopefully it's going to do that this time. So I think we're looking at a very interesting situation here with the Euro Canadian finding some very, very strong support level clearly, and we're gonna try to capitalize on that information that I've just given you. All right, guys. So there you go. Second potential potential trading opportunity that we find that we taken straight from our watch list, the Euro Canadian. And that's about that for the day today. Enjoy the rest of it, guys. We'll be back tomorrow as usual. Take care.